Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Enchanted Technology. Today I am going to tell you about two of the best free video editing software programs, so let's get started. First, I am going to tell you about the best video editing software, Canva. Canva is a free video editing website where you can create and edit videos. I am going to make videos on all the options step by step. If you want to see all the videos, stay tuned to watch more. Now, the question is, how do you open the Canva website? All you have to do is open Google and search for Canva. When the Canva website appears, click on it, and the website will open. Sign up now and the Canva website will be ready to use. Next, we are going to talk about the second best video editor, CapCut. CapCut is also a great video editor where you can edit videos however you like. It is also a free editing website. I will create videos on all the options of CapCut in detail. If you want to see how to download it, wait for the next video, which will be on this topic. Okay, bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.